And welcome back. This week we're going to continue with the relative pronoun. There's already up a assignment where you practice mostly in English but with a little bit of Latin. We're going to have a further Latin drill later on this week that you'll actually want to use pen and paper for, or even pencil. So we'll be doing that in terms of grammar. We're going to continue on with the readings, and we're going into chapter 14. So the first part of the chapter 14 reading should already be up. Like the previous ones, you want to translate this, answer the questions, and then self-correct. Now, the important part is that the correction is the main part of the assignment here. I'm posting a key. It's pretty easy to tell when it looks really like my key, or you've used that horrible madness that is Google Translate that just, there are not words for the words produced by Google Translate, particularly for Latin. It's really bad, really bad. So you want to really focus on making sure that this is your own work and that you comment on it. The main assignment should be correcting and commenting rather than just, picking up words onto a page. Anyone can do that right now. So focus on analyzing where you had difficulty, where you went wrong, and making little comments with the comment feature, highlighting stuff, whatever works for you. But I need to see that you have put thought into how you got to what's on the page rather than the thing itself. And some of you might have had a couple things like this returned without points previously. That means you just need to look back at it. I'm going to be a little fussier about this as we move forward. So make sure, also if you resubmit a thing, that you send me a little note too so that I get to it quickly, because sometimes a lot of these things are getting lost in the Google Classroom flurry of messages that you can also hear exploding with the little beeps. So that's going to be the main thing we do here. We're also going to be looking at a little bit of history and culture towards the end of the week, and what everyone will be very interested in. We'll have a Kahoot together on Wednesday at 10 o'clock, looking at some of the vocab up through chapter 14 now, as well as a little bit of the grammar we're working on. So join us then. If you have any questions, come into or just our board, please come into the Zoom chat, and hope you have a great week.